Good morning. I was doing a little cleanup in my shop, and I wanted to, clean my filters and change out the bags, the filter bags in my dust control system here. But I discovered I didn't have the right size bag, and I thought I'd make a little video and show you what you can do if that happens to you. First thing you do, obviously, is to take the bag out. First thing, get you a good pair of scissors. These things are crimped over on the edge. You just cut that tab completely off. And dump all the sawdust down in the reason I'm changing this one out is it had sucked up a rag. Then get you some spray stuff, some of this spray adhesive, and spread. And this is really optional. You can just staple this edge if you want to. And give that a few minutes to dry. And after you've let that set a little bit, just bend this over. And this stapler I'm using is not a fancy stapler. It's just a regular stapler. It's just got a handle on it. And then you just put it back in the regular way. I'm not recommending that you do this, but if you need to change a bag out, and the store doesn't have one, it's an emergency, and it works just as good as it did before. Well, I thought it stopped working because it sucked up a rag, but this isn't a rag. This is part of the filter. It's one of the high filtration filters. It's working good now.